mathematical expressions are not allowed, just like in defined mathematical statements. So you get my point, what expressions are and what statements are. When we have a mathematical statement, it is either true or false and never both. And when we have a mathematical expression, it does not make sense to ask whether it's true or false. So that's the thing. Now, okay. Now one can, just like one can add two numbers to get a new number, we can add or combine two mathematical statements to make compound statements. Okay. Compound statements. Now there are several ways of forming compound statements from simple statements, and we go through them one by one. The first one is conjunction. For statements x and y, the statement x and y is called their conjunction. So if we have two statements, okay, let me not use and before having conjunction. So for statements x, y, the statement x and y is called their conjunction. So and this is called a logical connective. It connects two statements. There are other logical connectives also. We are going to consider them shortly. So this is the first logical connective, and it connects two statements to give you their conjunction. It's called conjunction. X and y. It is defined to be true if both x and y are true, and is defined to be false otherwise. So what this says is that the statement x and y is defined to be true if both x and y are true, which is obvious. That's how for example, this statement and this is a conjunction. This is an example of a conjunction. It consists of two other statements, and we have used the logical connective and to combine them. Okay, so and this is true because both x and y are true. However, if at least one of them is false or both are false, then the conjunction is false. For example, 2 plus 2 is equal to 3, and 2 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 is false. This is true, this is false. Because although this is true, this is false. So for conjunction to be true, both the statements must be true. Or, for example, 2 plus 2 equal to 3 and 5 plus 5 equal to 3 is also false, because here both the simple statements out of which this conjunction is made are false. Okay, so that is your conjunction. Now, in a conjunction, it is not necessary that we should have distinct statements x and y. We can in fact have the same statement also. For example, we can write 2 plus 2 equal to 4.